What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about XPeng stock, ticker XPEV. We'll be talking about some recent news regarding XPeng, taking a look at the chart to do some technical analysis, talking about my price targets, and whether or not I'm investing in XPeng right now. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you can be entered into the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Robinhood and Webull if you haven't already. So with all of that being said, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice and let's jump into it. For those of you who aren't familiar with XPeng, it is another EV company headquartered in China. The company's primary products are a sports utility vehicle called G3 and a four-door sedan called P7. The company sells its vehicle products under the brand XPeng. The company also provides a number of other services to its customers, including supercharging, maintenance, and ride-hailing services, as well as a leasing program. XPeng is a fairly young, publicly traded company, going public on the New York Stock Exchange this year on August 26, 2020. At the time of recording this video, you can see that XPeng is already up over 100% since the time it went public a few months ago. Taking a look at this article that was just published yesterday, XPeng stock has been shooting upward on recent upgrades by analysts. This move upward has come off of the bullish call by analyst Edison Yu to increase his buy rating for XPeng stock to $58 per share, which is about 30% higher than where XPeng closed last week. Taking a look at XPeng's chart, you can see on the 3-month chart that XPeng did reach its all-time highs back in November, where it was trading over $70 per share. Since that time, it has overall been pulling back. On XPeng's 1-month chart, you can see that it has reached solid resistance at the $50 per share mark. This is going to be the first area that we need to see XPeng break through. Once it breaks past this resistance mark, I believe its next resistance is going to come at around $55 per share. XPeng certainly does have a lot of competition in the EV industry, primarily coming from Tesla and NIO, but I do believe that XPeng has a ton of potential ahead of it, and I am incredibly bullish on XPeng for the long term. Although XPeng is a fairly new company that was founded in 2014 and has only been trading on the New York Stock Exchange since August of this year, I am quite impressed by where they have been able to grow as a business thus far. Most recently, this past month in November, XPeng was able to deliver 4,224 of its vehicles, which is up 342% year over year and 38.9% sequentially when you compare month to month. Although XPeng certainly does have a long way to go to catch up with its largest competitor, Tesla, which is starting to ramp up the number of electric vehicles that they are producing in China, I do believe that XPeng has major opportunities ahead of it and that it could be a leader in the EV industry. As of the time I'm recording this video, XPeng is currently trading for about $49 per share, and it is trading with a market cap of just under $35 billion. Now, while it's difficult to predict where XPeng is going to be going in the future, thinking about it over the next couple years, I easily can see XPeng doubling up from where it is right now and trading over $100 a share. Now, while I'm sure we all can agree that electric vehicles are the way of the future, for investors who may not be quite as bullish about XPeng as I am, or maybe simply they do not want to take the risk associated with investing in one single company, I'd recommend taking a look at the ETF DRIVE, ticker DRIV. The Global X Autonomous and Electric Vehicles ETF, trading under the ticker DRIV, is currently trading at $23.27 as of recording this video. Taking a look at Drive's top 10 holdings, you can see that Tesla is leading the way as the #1 holding. But in addition to that, it also gives you exposure to NIO and a multitude of other well-known tech companies, including Apple, Microsoft, Google, and AMD, just to name a few. For those of you who aren't familiar with ETFs or how to evaluate them, I'll refer you to this video that I made previously. If you're interested in investing in the electric vehicle industry, but don't want to take the risk that's involved with investing in a single company, then I definitely recommend you check out the ETF DRIV. What are your thoughts on XPeng? Is it a company that you're invested in? And where do you think it's going in both the short and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And if there are particular stocks or other topics that you'd like me to talk about in future videos, be sure to comment down below about that as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. If you haven't already, be sure to check out this video about how to participate in our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.